Hi friends, my name is Vinay. I am Dubai Real Estate Advisor. Today here I am at Azizi office and I am going to show you a beautiful project that is just 7 minutes away from Burj Khalifa in downtown. That is Azizi Ravera. So here we have a model of Ravera and a connectivity. If I talk about connectivity and the location, this is your Maidan and downtown area. Over here you can see this is the Sheikh Zayed Road, which is the lifeline of Dubai. Also you can see there is a metro connectivity on Sheikh Zayed Road. This is the Burj Khalifa over here, that is in downtown, and also Dubai Mall, which is the world's biggest mall as of now. You also can see there is a canal going on. This canal is going from Business Bay. So Business Bay and downtown is the prime location in Dubai as of now. Next to this location there is one more prime location coming up, which is developing as if now very fast, that is Maidan. Just need to cross the Al Khail road and you will be in a Maidan. In Maidan, this is the model of Azizi Ravera. This is the location of Ravera. So Ravera is located on the intersection of Alain Road and Al Khail Road. This is your Alain Road and this is your Ras Al Khol or Al Khail Road. This is at the intersection of this. So if I talk about Maidan, in Maidan there are 5 world records are coming up, which would be first the world's biggest mall coming up. So this is the world's biggest mall coming up. It is already under construction. This will be getting ready very soon. This is bigger than Dubai Mall. Then you are coming up with the world's tallest residential tower. Third is the world's biggest indoor ski. As if now the biggest indoor ski is in Mall of the Emirates, that is again in Dubai. Not only this, they are also coming up with the Crystal Lagoon, which would be the world's biggest crystal lagoon in District 1 next to this community, which would be around 7 km. So you will be having 14 km of private beaches, and that would be completely man-made. Fifth world record is the world's tallest singing fountain coming up. As if now the world's tallest singing fountain is in Dubai, but now over here they will be coming up in future, near future. Not only these 5 world records are coming up, but also they have planned for the metro over here in Maidan, which will give you a good rise in your price and a very good connectivity. Apart from metro, they are also coming up with the Etihad Rail, which will connect all the 7 Emirates through the railway line. As if now you have a Maidan race course over there and a Maidan hotel, which is here. You can see next to the community only. This is the Maidan hotel and this is the Maidan race course. Let's talk about the Ravera. Let's talk about the model. So this is the model of entire Ravera. You can check out the model. You have a canal over here. You can see there is a canal going on. So canal is also coming up. So if I talk about that connectivity, again inside this one road is coming up from here. You can also enter from Alain Road from here. This will directly take you to the community, and from here you can connect from the Maidan Road, Al Khail Road. So in Ravera, if I talk about, there are altogether 71 towers, and this 71 towers divided into 4 phases: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. So if I talk about phase 1 and phase 2, they are about to deliver in 6 months. In Ravera, they have planned a mid-rise buildings, 8 to 10 floors of buildings over here. Not only this, if I talk about the buildings, you have your gym, swimming pool, kids play area, steam and sauna within the buildings. On top of it, they are also have a retail shops under the buildings. So they have a retail boulevard across the community under their buildings. Not only this, they have a Zen Park, Zen Garden, kids play area, then you have water sports activities over here, cafes, restaurants under the community itself. Let me take you to the show apartment of the Ravera. Let's go and check out the show apartment of Ravera over here. Please come. So this is the 1-bedroom sample apartment at the office of Azizi. This sample apartment is of Ravera in Maidan. So once you enter, you have on your left kitchen and living dining. This is the smallest 1-bedroom apartment over here in Ravera. Comes with a fully fitted fridge over here, refrigerator and freezer. This comes with a soft closing. This comes with a soft closing, cooking range, washing machine. If I talk about, check out the living dining area. The living dining area. And you have a washroom over here, extra space for your cupboards. If you have some extra space, you have washroom over here. This is your master bedroom. Size of the bedroom is really good. Let's check out the size. So this is the studio apartment, a sample apartment of the studio of Ravera at Azizi office. And on your left you have a kitchen with a cooking range, washing machine. You have fridge over here, refrigerator, all inbuilt. The washroom over here. The spacious studio. Water attached to it. In actual unit, you will also have a balcony. As of now, there is no balcony. This is in the office. That's the reason. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more details, you can contact me anytime. For viewing this property, just give me a call one day prior so that I can arrange your viewings. Thank you so much, and I request you to please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more notifications regarding Dubai real estate. Thank you so much.